What's the meaning of amused? Amused. 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 Amused.
Amused is an adjective that describes a feeling of enjoyment or pleasure resulting from something that is humorous or entertaining. When someone is amused, they are experiencing a positive emotional reaction to the situation or activity that is causing them to feel this way. This can manifest in a variety of ways, such as smiling, laughing, or feeling a sense of satisfaction. Overall, being amused is a pleasant experience that brings joy and entertainment into one's life, adding a bit of fun and levity to the daily routine.